Kitty litter is not working. Well, welcome to another episode of Markley Brothers Racing, where hopefully we will be working on the Z again. Here's my brother's Camaro. He's gonna make a video on that trailer, but the old Z, as you can see, we got it rolling, but we still don't have it started yet. So I'm gonna take this down to Nissan next week and have them look at it and see what they can find. Hopefully they don't turn it away because it's a car that looks like this. But anyway, I'm going to get the airbags out of it and hopefully we'll be loading it on my trailer here later today. So yeah, here's the inside of the Z right now. I don't know what the previous owner was doing, but they trashed this. But I do know they were listening to some Eminem. Get the airbag cut out of it. Got the spare out of it, and you see that rat's nest. And you come over here, and you see about the driver's side. Get the driver's airbag cut out. And as you can see, this is the level of damage that was done to this car. There's the lower control arm busted in two, and here is the rack. As you can see, it's in two pieces. And this is the best bit. You can see that is the strut. Look how much that stuff's bent on the top. So yeah, it was in a pretty good accident. It was in a pretty good lick. So, but we got all that replaced, and we don't know if it's straight or not because we haven't been able to drive it yet. So anyway, next step, get all this junk out of it, get it stripped out, and we'll go from there. All right, update. Get it all stripped out so it all looks nice and clean. Now, next step, trying to pull this airbag out right here and see what we can do with it. So that's the next step.
That's how he did.
Well, as they say on the Hoonians, I think that's a wrap for today. Because we got the Z back on the trailer, ready to go down to the Nissan this week. And I think I found a problem on my truck. My high performance brake pad is now worn all the way down, so no more of that. So not sure what happened there. But anyway, be sure to like, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video.